Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Ultra Limited with 29,077 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with screaming eagle mufflers and LED taillight and chrome fairing vent trim. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the ELECTRA puts 79 horsepower and 105 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the ELECTRA has a 200 to 250 mile range. It has a 29.1 inch seat height and weighs in at 896 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 730 seconds. We did not take this bike for a test ride, but our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has an owner's manual, toolkit, 2 keys, and 2 fobs. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.